Hello everyone, let's begin with the new question. The question says 60,000 articles costing rupees 200 per dozen were insured against fire for rupees 2,40,000. If 20% of the articles were burnt and 7,200 of the remaining articles were damaged to the extent of 80% of their value, find the amount that can be claimed under the policy. Now let's quickly begin with the solution. Now in this case, we are not directly given with the property value, right? Instead of property value, हमें क्या बोला गया है कि we have 60,000 articles and per dozen cost is rupees 200. तो हमें 60,000 articles का जो भी total cost बनता है वो find करना पड़ेगा and that will be our property value, correct? तो first of all, the cost of 1 dozen articles or 12 articles is given as rupees 200. So therefore, cost of one article will be 200 upon 12. Simple. Now, how many articles do we have? We have 60,000 articles. So therefore, cost of 60,000 articles would be 60,000 multiplied by 200 upon 12. Now, simplifying this further, we get total cost as rupees 10 lakh. तो हमारे पास जो 60,000 आर्टिकल्स है उनकी टोटल कॉस्टिंग होती है 10 लाख रुपीज और यही हमारी प्रॉपर्टी है. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से द प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू इज रुपीज 10 lakhs. नाउ पॉलिसी वैल्यू इज डायरेक्टली गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन एज रुपीज 2,40,000. अब आगे हमको दो अलग अलग टाइप के लॉस दिए हुए हैं. पहला लॉस है 20% ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स वर बर्न, मतलब जितना भी हमारे पास आर्टिकल्स है या जितनी भी उसकी वैल्यू है उसका 20% जो है वो it was burnt. So what will be loss number 1? It will be 20% of the property value. So that will be 20 upon 100 multiplied by 10 lakhs, which gives us loss number 1 as rupees 2 lakh. Now as far as the second loss is concerned, it is given that the 7,200 of the remaining articles were damaged to the extent of 80% of their value. तो अभी हमको नेक्स्ट लॉस के लिए सबसे पहले ये फाइंड करना पड़ेगा कि ये जो 7,200 आर्टिकल्स है इनका टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होता है, राइट? सो लेट्स फाइंड कॉस्ट ऑफ 7,200 आर्टिकल्स. अगेन हमको एक आर्टिकल का कॉस्ट पता है 200 अपॉन 12. सो देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ 7,200 आर्टिकल्स विल बी 7,200 multiplied by 200 upon 12. Simplifying this, we get total cost as rupees 1,20,000. अब ये जो भी कॉस्ट है इस पे हमको डैमेज या लॉस कितना हुआ है 80% का. सो लॉस नंबर 2 इज 80% ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ 7,200 आर्टिकल्स, दैट इज 80% ऑफ दिस वैल्यू. सो इट विल बी 80 अपॉन 100 multiplied by 1,20,000 and simplifying this further we get loss number 2 as rupees 96,000. So first loss is rupees 2 lakh and second loss is of rupees 96,000. So therefore total loss will be sum of these two losses, that is loss number 1 plus loss number 2, which is 2 lakh plus 96,000, which gives us total loss value as rupees 2,96,000. Now what do we need to calculate? The total amount that can be claimed. मतलब हमें find करना है claim. अब simple है, claim का formula is policy value divided by property value multiplied by the loss. Policy value as you already know is 2,40,000. Property value हमने calculate किया था as 10 lakh and total loss was calculated as rupees 2,96,000. तो इन सबको appropriately substitute करेंगे और simplify करेंगे तो we get total claim value as rupees 71,040. So this amount can be claimed under the policy. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.